What's up, team? In the world of AI coding assistants, a new player is making some serious noise by promising to bring actual structure to the chaos. Today, we're getting hands-on with Kiro AI IDE to see if it lives up to the hype of being the best tool for vibe coding. Okay, let's jump right in. So Kiro isn't just another chatbot for your terminal, it's a platform for what they call agentic AI development, all the way from a simple idea to a finished product.
The core philosophy here is spec-driven development, which aims to add structure to AI coding. Here's how it works. You start by giving it a natural language prompt, like you would with any AI, but Kiro then takes that prompt and transforms it into clear structured requirements, written in something called ears notation. This step makes your intent and constraints explicit before any code is written, which is huge for complex projects. Once the requirements are set, Kiro analyzes your codebase and proposes an architecture and tech stack based on best practices to meet those needs. It then breaks everything down into a plan of discrete sequence tasks. You can then tell Kiro to implement each task using its advanced AI agents. All of this interaction happens directly from your favorite terminal, keeping you in a tight interactive loop. Kiro offers a tiered pricing structure starting with a free plan that includes 50 credits. Upon first sign-up using a social login or builder ID, new users receive a bonus of 500 credits usable within 30 days. The paid plans are Kiro Pro at $20 per month for 1,000 credits, Kiro Pro Plus at $40 for 2,000 credits, and Kiro Power at $200 for 10,000 credits, all featuring a consistent pay-per-use average cost of 0.0 per credit. For larger organizations, Kiro provides enterprise solutions that include centralized billing, advanced security controls, SAML/SYS, SIMing single sign-on, and organizational management dashboards. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.